Cyprus, an island nestled in the eastern Mediterranean, is a place where sun-kissed shores meet rugged mountains. An ancient history intertwines with modern life. While many tourists flock to the popular beaches of Ayia Napa or the bustling city of Limassol, Cyprus holds a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be explored. This is Cyprus, like you've never seen it before. Untouched, peaceful, and waiting to be discovered. Start your journey with the stunning Troodos Mountains, a place where nature reigns supreme. These mountains, with their towering pine trees and sprawling valleys, offer a serene escape from the island's more well-known destinations. As you hike along the Caledonia Waterfalls trail, you'll be greeted by lush greenery and crystal-clear streams. The sound of rushing water accompanies you as you make your way through this natural wonder, and at the end of the trail, the waterfalls plunge into a serene pool of water, inviting you for a peaceful dip. The surrounding area is dotted with charming villages, like Platra and Mutula, where the pace of life is slow and the people still live according to ancient Cypriot traditions. Further south, the Akamas Peninsula is a paradise for those looking to escape the crowds. With its remote beaches, rugged cliffs, and wildlife reserves, this region is one of Cyprus's best-kept secrets. The Blue Lagoon here is a spot of ethereal beauty where the water's vibrant turquoise color reflects the surrounding hillsides. Accessible only by boat or hiking, the lagoon offers a pristine setting for those seeking tranquility. After a swim, take a moment to relax on the quiet beach, where you can enjoy the sights and sounds of nature, untouched by the modern world. To the west, Latchi, a small fishing village, is a hidden gem on the island. The pristine beaches here remain quiet and undeveloped, perfect for those who wish to enjoy a peaceful day by the sea. If you take a stroll through the village, you'll find an array of charming cafes and restaurants, where you can taste fresh seafood caught daily by the local fishermen. The sunset over the Mediterranean here is simply breathtaking, with the golden light reflecting off the calm waters and casting a magical glow over the village. Heading east, the Karpas Peninsula is one of the most remote parts of Cyprus, offering an almost untouched environment. This area is known for its wild beauty and historical significance, home to ancient ruins and Byzantine churches. The beaches here are secluded, often with no one around, but the occasional goat or two roaming the hillsides. The golden sands stretch out into the clear blue water, providing a perfect spot for a peaceful escape from the world. The Church of St. Andrew is one of the few remaining signs of human life in the area, with its quiet, almost forgotten presence standing proudly amidst the natural beauty. Back inland, the village of Omodos is a small, picturesque town tucked away in the Limassol district, offering a glimpse into Cyprus's rich winemaking culture. The cobbled streets, traditional houses, and friendly locals give the village an old-world charm that makes it a perfect place to stop and experience authentic Cypriot life. Visit the local winery, where you can taste some of the finest wines made from local grapes, and explore the Monastery of the Holy Cross, a spiritual retreat in the heart of the village. The scenic views from the village are stunning, and the surrounding hills are dotted with vineyards and olive groves. One of Cyprus's true treasures is its coastline, but not the ones you find in tourist brochures. Instead, the island hides many secret coves, hidden bays, and tranquil beaches, where the only sounds you'll hear are the lapping waves and the calls of seabirds. Fig Tree Bay, a small cove near Brochures, remains a quiet oasis compared to the more popular tourist beaches. The water here is crystal clear, and the beach is surrounded by natural beauty, with rocky outcrops providing the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. If you're looking for something more remote, the Aphrodite's Rock Beach is a hidden gem where the legend of Aphrodite's birth is said to have taken place. The ancient myths combined with the stunning scenery make it a place that seems almost otherworldly. To the north, Kyrenia is a charming harbor town, brimming with history and character. Unlike other towns on the island, Kyrenia still maintains much of its traditional Cypriot charm. Wander through the narrow streets of the old town, past Venetian-style buildings and Byzantine churches. The Kyrenia Castle, perched on a hill overlooking the town, offers sweeping views of the coastline and the Mediterranean Sea. The harbor is lined with restaurants offering fresh seafood, and you can enjoy a leisurely walk along the waterfront, watching the boats gently bob in the harbor as the sun sets over the sea. For those with a taste for adventure, the Akamas National Park offers some of the best hiking and cycling trails on the island. The park is home to an incredible diversity of flora and fauna, with rare species of plants and animals living in the rugged terrain. The area is also rich in archaeological history, with ancient ruins dotting the landscape, including baths of Aphrodite, a site believed to be where Aphrodite bathed. The combination of nature, culture, and adventure makes Akamas a perfect spot for those who want to experience Cyprus in its most authentic form. No visit to Cyprus is complete without a trip to the Troodos Botanical Garden, a true hidden gem. Nestled in the heart of the Troodos Mountains, this peaceful garden showcases the island's unique flora and fauna, with over 600 species of plants and herbs. It's the perfect place for nature lovers to learn about the medicinal plants used in traditional Cypriot remedies, and the panoramic views from the garden are absolutely stunning. A walk through the garden is like stepping into a hidden world, where every path leads to new discoveries. For history buffs, the sanctuary of Apollo Hylates near the town of Kyrenia offers a fascinating glimpse into ancient Cyprus. This archaeological site, once a major center for worshipping the Greek god Apollo, is surrounded by beautiful countryside and views of the coastline. The ruins, including a well-preserved temple and mosaic floors, transport you back in time to the island's rich religious past. As the day winds down, there's nothing like experiencing the serenity of the Paphos Archaeological Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park is home to a wealth of historical ruins, including ancient tombs, villas, and mosaics. As the sun sets over the ruins, the entire area takes on a golden hue, and the peaceful atmosphere makes it the perfect place to reflect on Cyprus's rich history and natural beauty. Cyprus is an island that offers more than just its well-known attractions. It is a place filled with hidden wonders, from secluded beaches and serene mountain villages to ancient ruins and tranquil landscapes. Whether you're exploring the rugged coastlines of the Karpas Peninsula or hiking through the lush forests of the Troodos Mountains, Cyprus offers something for every kind of traveler. It's a destination that rewards those who venture off the beaten path and are willing to take the time to discover its hidden treasures. So pack your bags, leave the crowds behind, and let Cyprus show you its secrets, waiting to be explored.